Recognizing the subtle signs can be challenging, but it's crucial for providing timely support. Here are some key indicators to be aware of. Cleaning out their space. A person may start giving away possessions or organizing their apartment as if preparing for departure. Social isolation, withdrawing from friends and family, avoiding social interactions, and isolating themselves can be a red flag. Talking or joking about death. Comments like, "What would happen if I jumped off right now?" might seem casual but could indicate deeper thoughts. Reckless behavior. Engaging in dangerous activities, such as reckless driving or substance abuse, can signal a lack of concern for their safety. Quietness and spacing out. A sudden change in demeanor, becoming very quiet, or frequently zoning out can be a sign of internal distress. Social media posts about death. Posts that focus on themes of dying, finding peace, or saying goodbye can be subtle cries for help. Serenity and finality. A sudden calmness or a feeling of peace and finality after a period of distress may indicate that the person has resolved to take their life. These signs may not always be obvious, but paying attention to them can help identify someone in need of urgent support. If you notice these indicators, it's essential to reach out, offer a listening ear, and encourage them to seek professional help. Early intervention can save lives. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you or someone you know is struggling with mental health issues, please reach out for help. Contact a mental health professional or crisis hotline for support. Your well-being matters. In the UK, you can reach out to the Samaritans at 116 123 or call 999 if the situation is critical. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes. Your recovery gateway.